Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the troubleshooters are not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you're coming across an error message when attempting to run one of those troubleshooters. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match will come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select run as administrator. And now at this point, I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. First one's going to be the system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. So once that command's done running, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video, and then paste it into the command prompt the same way we did the first one, and hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Now if you attempt to run whatever troubleshooters you were having the issue with before, hopefully the problem has been resolved for you. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.